We stayed at Boron River Rest Area last night, left this morning on our way to Prince George and onward to Dawson Creek.
Going into Prince George.
Pretty nice place. Sharon's taking a few photos here.
That's right up here. Headed to the station.
Says my Husky is 0.8, 0.7 now. I have a new home.
Prince George has a homeless problem, and Daryl's not part of it.
He's homeless, but not that part of it.
Yeah, not like that.
Drop coming up on this hill here. Been climbing. Climbed up a little bit off those meadows, and the temperature just changed. So it's dropped. Maybe it's a front we're involved with here. I'm not sure.
But I don't see any mountains. Lots and lots of trees.
Yeah, it's hill country here.
Yeah.
Seems to be.
Yep. The landscape has changed a bit over here between Prince George and Dawson Creek.
We go north and we go back northeast towards Dawson Creek, where we start the Alaskan Highway.
Woohoo! Ready for that? Great, talking a bit. McLeod is the town where we just came through, or the section. I don't know what you want to call it. It's just a blink of an eye. We were through it. But there is no cell service between Prince George and Dawson Creek so far.
We haven't run up on any, so the next town over here, McKenzie, I think it is.
Yes.
Maybe we'll have cell service there. It's about 40 miles, so maybe we'll have cell service there. We'll let y'all know.
Like we're getting into the mountainous areas again. Woohoo! I love me some mountains.
Well, let you see. Dawson Creek, but I guess I'm learning what it's about.
That's a big mountain. Oh. That's a big mountain right there.
Pull off. See bears?
Not a one. 9 bears yesterday. Couldn't get a shot of one. And today, not one bear. Not one anything.
Nothing up through here. But that sign talked like there's all kinds of critters out here.
Yeah.
I ain't seen nothing.
Not a thing.
I don't know what the deal is. Well, maybe it's not spring. It's sprung up here yet.
Well, there's still snow on the side.
Lake's
in
frozen
the woods.
over.
Yep.
Lake's frozen over.
Snow on the mountain. smoke has cleared up some, so we can see. There's Kilimanjaro going around the curve.
We gotta drop about 1,000 feet here. Fifth gear going down this long hill.
Up.
Wow.
Bumpy road. Bumpy road.
This road's been great, other than a few of those places.
Yeah. Well, we haven't had any
Frostings yet. No real big frostings.
yeah, and no potholes or any of that.
Nothing really seriously bad.
No.
It'll tear a tire up.
Right. It's all good. Everything's blooming out.
Yep. Hey. What they say up here. Hey.
Lots of farmland.
Yeah, country people.
Yeah, I like it. A lot of curves going down here.
It's warmer down here. It's 72 degrees right now. It's supposed to be in the 70s, high 60s, 70s up here. Pretty nice.
Oh, I like my clear sky. I can breathe too. That was pretty rough. That smoke was pretty
Give me a
dense.
chance to furnish you my new brake pads.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, you also got a new lifter and fuel line you're breaking in good.
There you go.
Well, not a new lifter, a new injector.
Really slow, really slow.
Pretty view.
Yep. There you go, Sharon. Want your window down?
There's some more poles with no transformers on them. Well, this is farmland and forest.
And ranching.
Yes.
Actually. Cows and bulls and such back there.
Right.
Man, it sure doesn't feel like we're going east, but that's just one big loop. Because we didn't come up Highway 40.
Right. Well, maybe we'll go back on 40.
Oh, that'd be good.
That way we learn the routes, the different roads.
Oh, jeez, that was a big bump. Dang. Y'all see them in the road? Yes, those are the bumps.
Not really.
Almost there.
16 miles. Pretty country across there.
Got some mountains over this hill.
Pretty good fuel mileage.
Oh, that is Dawson Creek down the road.
It's funny, I got that. You didn't get nothing on your phone.
And it's smoky as all get out.
Must be another fire up here.
Man, they're
Great
starting.
sign on the right.
Yep,
Dawson Creek, we're here.
we
Woohoo!
made it.
Start of the Alaskan Highway.
Woohoo! Lauren and Paul came to meet up with us while we were in Dawson Creek and took us to dinner. Thank y'all so much. It was so delicious at the Brown Social House. Y'all have to try that place out. It was really good. It was great meeting y'all.